Promises of quick riches, testimonials that are just too good to be true, and that lingering feeling that something just isn't right. In the world of affiliate marketing, everything that glitters isn't always gold. And in this video, I'm going to reveal 7 ways that you can tell that the affiliate program that you're working with is a scam. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're gonna do today is I'm going to reveal 7 signs that the affiliate program that you're working with isn't all it's cracked up to be. Now, these are based on my experience and what I've seen other affiliates go through in their road to actually make money online. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 1. Number 1 is the EPC, or earnings per click. Now, if you're working with an affiliate network that is claiming to have an EPC of less than 1, I would be very hesitant to move forward. Basically, with an EPC, that means that a lot of people are clicking, but there aren't a lot of commissions being handed out. And so that's something that you should be concerned with. Now, most affiliate programs will tell you what their EPC is. If they're keeping their EPC hidden, then that's another red flag. So again, you want to find affiliate programs that have an EPC, or earnings per click, that is 1 or more. Number 2, unrealistic earnings promises. Now, if you see an affiliate program or an affiliate for that affiliate program that is claiming that you can make 10K in 90 days with no experience, run for the hills. Quite frankly, if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, you're not going to make 10K in 90 days. You don't have any funnel set up. You don't know how to create content. You don't even know what your target audience wants to know. So if someone's telling you, whether it's an affiliate marketer for that program or the program itself, is claiming that you can make 10K in 90 days without experience, that is a clear red flag that a scam is likely. Number 3, high joining fees. Now, in my experience as an affiliate marketer, you should never have to pay money in order to make money. I actually kind of learned that tip as I was working as a center director for a university. Grants and scholarships, you don't have to pay for. Kind of the same thing with affiliate programs. Most of the programs out there, you don't have to pay in order to join. And if they want you to pay in order for the opportunity to promote, I would stay far away, because there are literally thousands of other opportunities out there. Now, if they have training that you are enrolling in or buying, that's something different. But if they're telling you that the only way to join their affiliate program is to pay in money, whether it's $5 or $5,000, I think that you should stay away, because quite frankly, I don't think it's worth it. Number 3, kind of along the same thing, is a lack of a clear product or service. Now, this actually kind of falls into a pyramid scheme type territory. If there isn't an actual product or service that you're promoting, whether it's a course or training or done for your service, that is a huge red flag. With a pyramid scheme and this kind of program, is you are promoting the opportunity to make money. So if you've ever been told that this program is a way to make money by promoting the program to make money, if you're confused and it's not clear and logical what the offering is, I recommend that you stay away from it. There are lots of these programs out there. They pop up seemingly overnight, and then they kind of fizzle out and they go away. Eventually, unfortunately, some of these programs actually get caught up in FTC, or Federal Trade Commission, dragnets, where there are civil liabilities for both the program creators and anyone that's promoting that program. So what you want to make sure that you're doing is, any affiliate program that you're joining, make sure that it has a clear product or service on the back end. Now, if you're to promote the course, make sure that you are talking about the course and not the amount of money that you can make. A lot of people are promoting a very popular course, and they're promoting it in a way that's kind of pyramid scheme-ish, where they are talking about how much money you could potentially make and not actually talking about the benefits of going through the course. That is a huge red flag that you want to be cautious of, because that could put you in some trouble financially with the Federal Trade Commission if you live in the United States. If you're outside of the United States, there might be other regulators that you'd have to worry about. So make sure that you are actually promoting a product or service when you are joining an affiliate program. Number 5, no support or training. If they're just telling you to go out there and go comment, spam comment, and do all of these unethical things, I would run for the hills. You want to make sure that the program creator has a clear direction, clear suggestion on how to promote the program best. But if the program is telling you, hey, just go out there and spray and pray, put your affiliate links wherever there's an open box, that is a huge cause for concern. Make sure the program that you're joining is giving you suggestions on the best way to promote it. They're giving you tips. They're at least giving you some marketing material to help you get an understanding of the best way to promote the program. program. So find programs out there. There are over 5,000 affiliate programs. Find programs that are actually going to give you the best tips, tricks, and tactics, because a lot of them do it. Be very cautious if few of them don't. Now, I've joined some of these programs where they tell you to just promote the business opportunity and not the course. That scared me away from doing it, and I'm glad I did, because some of those programs have actually folded shop and I haven't heard from them for at least a few years. So make sure that you are finding courses that are offering support, whether if you're having issues with your affiliate link or getting paid or some training of some sort, whether it's just hidden YouTube videos that aren't visible to the regular consumer. Number 6, and this is a big one, is vague payment statements. I would be incredibly concerned if you don't know when or how you're going to get paid. Now, as an affiliate marketer, most affiliate programs, you're not going to get paid immediately. Some of them say 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, and even 90 days before you get paid out. Also, most affiliate programs have a minimum payout of $10 or $20. If there is no information out there, be incredibly concerned. You want to look for payment dates, so they're going to pay on the 3rd Friday of every month. You want to look for how long it takes to earn a commission, so it's 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, and you want to make sure that they are telling you what net 45 is, or net 90, or net 60, whatever that might be. So make sure you are clear, you have lots of information, you have a firm understanding of when you're going to get paid. There are tons of affiliate programs that have hidden, vague rules, and that is a huge red flag, because oftentimes when the rules are vague, you won't get paid. Remember that. When the rules are vague, you won't get paid. Number 7, I believe, is huge red flag, is if there are no real positive reviews and a lot of negative reviews. So all sales pages are going to have a bunch of glowing reviews. It's just the fact of the matter. The glowing reviews provide social proof. However, there's a few ways that you can spot negative reviews. You can take the image that they're using and you can do a reverse Google image search. And if that image of the person shows up on a frequently used royalty-free website, that's a huge red flag, because those reviews often aren't authentic. Also, you can copy and paste what the quote is right into Google, and if it comes back to other websites, that's another huge red flag. Also, if you do a Google search and you do a Reddit search for the name of the program and there is a laundry list of problems and no one's addressing those problems, stay away. Again, there are so many other opportunities out there. You don't want to risk having problems or whatever potential payouts there are. So make sure that you do your due diligence if you're enrolling in a course, if you are joining an affiliate program, that there aren't a ton of negative reviews. Make sure that the positive reviews that are there aren't overwhelmingly positive and they aren't fake. One way that you can kind of figure that out is take a look at the Facebook group. Usually there's a Facebook group associated with it. And in the Facebook group, if there are a bunch of people that have positive things to say, it's good, but always be a little bit concerned. And a bonus tip I have for you is no contact information. If you're running into issues and there's no way to contact the affiliate program or the course that you've joined, that is a huge red flag that you need to stay away from. Usually you can tell all the way at the bottom of the screen the contact information. In fact, it's illegal not to have some sort of information, but you can always tell at the bottom of the screen an email address, a mailing address, and sometimes even a phone number. If you are having issues, you can reach out to them. So those are the 8 clues that you might be working with a scam affiliate program. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Have you ever worked with a scam affiliate program? When did you realize it was a scam, and what did you do to get out of it? Watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.